Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Maypen interchange and we are going to give you an update on the Diamond Hub development. Now this is a massive development out by the Maypen interchange. It's going to be on this land that we're looking at and on it's going to be on both sides of the highway. So what they plan to do out here is build like an mini, or maybe not a mini, but a urban center. It's going to have a gas station, supermarket, warehouses. I think I even heard fast food restaurants are going to be over here. So the property to the right will be a part of it, and the property to the left of the highway will be a part of it. The entire land around the interchange, all four sections, will be a part of the Diamond Hub. Now, the latest is the land was acquired, but they haven't started construction yet. I'm not sure what they're waiting for. Actually, I think it's a model where they're going to, like the 876 commercial complex, where they would sell the lots and then people build what they want on it. What you're looking at there straight ahead is actually what's left. That's Czech China Harbor Engineering Company used this property you're looking at now as their headquarters when they were building the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. That section is finished, so that's just what's left of their plan. But all of this will be a part of the Diamond Hub. Now, this development should do very well. The Morant Bay Urban Center set a standard for developments in Jamaica. Now, that development had some issues with what they are renting the units for, but once they sort that out, that development should do very well. But it is a lot of people are interested in that development. So they plan to do something similar out here, a mix between the 876 commercial complex of Mandela, where they set up the lots and then people built their individual units as to how they want it. So all they would do is sell the lots. The Morant Bay Urban Center was a little different. They actually built the buildings and then rented out the buildings, and not sure why the rent is so high. And that's but so this model should do very well out here. And Maypen is one of the largest cities, largest towns in Jamaica. A large population, and this development is right on the highway. You don't have to pay any toll to exit. So this development is at a perfect location. The developers of this development, you have to give them credit. They found the perfect location. So it should do very well. So we're going to give you more information on what's happening out here. Diamond Hub in Jamaica is a major commercial and industrial development by Kirbyton Commercial Development Limited, strategically located at the Diamond Interchange along the Maypen leg of the East-West Highway. The project spans 118 acres and features 74 service lots ranging from 0.75 to 2 acres, intended for commercial and industrial use. The hub is designed to accommodate a variety of businesses, including supermarkets, shopping centers, quick service restaurants, pharmacies, gas stations, warehouses, banks, furniture stores, and more. It also aims to serve as a central location for BPOs, factories, and distribution centers. Residents in nearby areas such as Old Harbor and Innswood will benefit from easier access to amenities, reducing the need to travel to Kingston. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. Now, stores or businesses have been coming to this development. A gas station has signed a lease. Well, a gas station is going to be here. I don't remember the name of it. And I've also heard that KFC and Burger King are setting up stores over here. And okay, Okay, well, I don't. There is another fast food restaurant, but I don't remember. I don't remember the name now. But people are moving towards this development. Now, this development reminds me a lot of it's like the Morat Bay Urban Center, but much bigger. Because this is the same model that was used. The Morat Bay Urban Center is only 25 acres. This one is 118 acres. This one is going to be a game changer for Maple. And I think it's going to do very well because of its location. You can get on and off the highway to access this development without having to go through a toll plaza. And it also has traffic from the main road. The traffic from the main road can also access this development. So I think it's going to do extremely well. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We will keep you guys updated on this development as it's definitely going to be a game changer for Maple. Alright guys, have a good day.